necklace,
목걸이,
request, favor,
부탁,
man,
남자,
black,
검정,
vegetable,
야채,
Rose of Sharon,
무궁화,
grape,
포도,
end, finish,
끝,
opposition, opposite,
반대,
4 days,
나을,
probably, perhaps,
아마,
no more, stopping,
그만,
to lose, to misplace,
일타,
to bake, to roast,
굽다,
to draw,
그리다,
to remember, to come to mind,
생각나다,
to be thin, to be fine,
가늘다,
to be cloudy, to be blurry,
흐리다,
to be enough, to be sufficient,
충분하다,
to be good-natured, to be kind-hearted,
착하다,
recent, lately,
최근,
vending machine,
자판기,
sugar,
설탕,
fried rice,
볶음밥,
water,
물,
mosquito,
모기,
transportation expenses,
교통비,
nationality, citizenship,
국적,
little by little, bit by bit,
조금씩,
separately, individually,
따로,
to put, to lay,
놓다,
to wash one's face,
세수하다,
to spill, to drop,
흘리다,
to pick up, to gather,
줍다,
to accompany, to take care of, elders,
모시다,
to be comfortable, to be relaxed,
편안하다,
To be uninteresting, to be boring.
재미없다.
To be crimson, to have a reddish tone.
붓다.
To be free, to be at leisure.
한가하다.
To be new, to be fresh.
새롭다.
Teacher.
교사.
Overground subway.
전철.
Daytime, afternoon.
낮,
Cold water.
찬물.
Academy, private school.
학원.
Body, physique.
몸.
Restaurant.
낮,
Ginseng.
인삼.
Nose.
콧.
Friday.
금요일.
By surprise, startlingly.
깜짝,
How long, how far.
얼마나.
To lift, to carry.
들다.
To ask, to inquire, honorific.
여쭙다.
To go out, to leave.
나가다.
To wash, clothes, to do laundry.
빨다.
To be appropriate, to be suitable.
적당하다.
To be curious, to be wondering.
궁금하다.
To be ugly, to be plain looking.
못생기다.
To be handsome, to be good looking.
잘생기다.